So right now we're facing an issue. Whenever I try to open Audacity, I'm receiving this error. Audacity can't be opened because it's from unknown developer. I'm gonna show you guys how to actually prevent this from happening again. What you want to do is go to the Apple logo, go to System Preference, then you want to go to, let's see, Security and Privacy. Okay, now let me go ahead and log in. You want to press that to make sure that's you. Go ahead and put in your login password. Okay. Next thing you want to do here, for example, see how we were trying to open Audacity. Now it says Audacity was blocked. Now we're going to click open anyway. Open it. And boom, there you go. That's how you pass by the unidentified developer. Hopefully that helps too. Take care and I hope you enjoyed this video.